Okay, Junior, are you in senior high school, Junior?
Yeah, I'm in senior high school.
And are they billing you?
No, they are not billing, but I've heard the news from one of my colleagues that the what the that we are going to pay 200 Ghana cedis for our school. What?
Yeah, no. Now, we did this for ya, Mahama, Akufo Mabo, Mutrin, or me Ghana for.
I should came in Pona home with Tino.
Yeah, share ho. Oh, yeah, I'm in Ghana for. Akofa foreigners, no visa. Asao. We were do a more. I'm Mama Kojina, no money acquainted to Galamsey ni. On him saw the soldier for qua. No, Mama order some got to shoot and kill. Mokas or shoot and kill. Soldier for never ye. And a Galamsey, so I did it must stop you shoot and kill.
True.
Enti no omakofa foreigners na do ma begu o mutri no mo do ma yes ade wo be kon be hie bi sanse ya friend say no onim ni din ontimi nka twi ono so English ontimi nka other language bi a Ghanaian language enti no ma head yes ye makwan masa enkromallifo ne niema no o sa nkrofo ne mra Ghana tina coat o ma head yes ade no
wow
mo ma ye nhwe ho Sankrofo no akofo mo do maba obi adwene nyanko saa de ne so mo me try ne check that point na ye hwa de ene ne ya haja kene de munya re mana na aye e mana na afa e mana na edi sa adwuma no asem wo ka kire obi a oga na akora ya wo ne wo ka kire no be ka kire say ma girls slave queen for na haja kila
enu krepa
ti wonyai enye ne ferry kra so asade abeto outside. Anya ne ferry so dey beto outside. Munya no on dey on fa na sem ntina na no. Obehu na nkrofon do galamsey no no mo ba so mo metu. Ti wo yo pa mo sa nkrofo we ko site na sojafo ko ho no ma. Ebeye banta.
Yeah.
Omo ne sojafo ndi besi ani. So omo ko na sojafo ko ho no mebeda ne banta. Omo ne sojafo ne beku. Fisi edo ma ba so mo megina ho na omunya kwantu galamsey no no mo ba be omunya Ghana for me foreign how many armed robbers no wachi wo ma emududu asa na Ghanaians.
Please, what I just have for the people of Ghana is that the NDC government have come to power to squander everything in the country. Because
why?
Looking at their actions, they don't even know where they are going to. Me, as a student right now, to my opinion, how they are trying to manage the country is not good, because I am a government student.
Okay.
And straight to the point, I don't support their party.
Okay.
I am one of the party caucus of the New Patriotic Party.
Okay.
So, what that their President Mahama has planned for the country is not just good.
Okay.
I'll just say every NDC member in this Panama is like a building without a foundation, because they don't know where they are heading to. They are like a building without a foundation. Because how can a normal president or a sensible president who comes on power like less than 100 days, the youth is now saying they are no more in need of him? Especially me, I'm from the Northeast region. So if I'm talking like this, someone on this live stream may say because I'm from Bahumia's place, I'm supporting Bahumia. That is not the case. But the NDC party is not just good. Colleague students should know where we are going, because when we were in school before the election, some of my colleagues were in the school saying the MPP government is what the MPP government is doing, what the MPP government. Now at this time, the education minister has talked to the teachers that they should bull the students. But when the MPP government was on power, they abolished it, that they shouldn't, teachers shouldn't bull students. You know, some students will run
Junior,
away
are you in senior high school, Junior?
Yeah, I'm in senior high school.
And are they billing you?
No, they are not billing, but I've heard the news from one of my colleagues that the that we are going to pay 200 Ghana cedis for our school. What
I see.
Just,
is it PTA?
Yeah, the PTA. That we are going to pay 200 Ghana cedis for the PTA. But when Akufo Addo was on power, he didn't pay. Since I reported on school, that was on 4th March of 2022 when I reported to SHS. I haven't paid any PTA meeting fees before. And when I reported my second semester, Akufo Addo government gave me about 4 notebooks.
Really?
7 exercise books. So why won't I appreciate them? I appreciate the MPP government because of all that thing. But we students, some of us, we are ungrateful. Looking at some of us, when like in North East region here, there are some houses or there are some families that they don't even have food.
Yeah, I was about to ask you, how will it be for you to raise that 200? Is it easy?
No, where you are? Not easy. It's not easy here because there's no work.
Wow.
There is no work in North East region here, if not only farming. And now at this time, we are in the dry season.
Okay.
And the youth, what they used to go to the Galamsey. Some of them used to go to Galamsey and get their money. So now, John Mahama was saying if he comes on power, Galamsey will maintain. But these days, looking at watching social media, I've been seeing soldiers bullying those who are working at that places. That Galamsey, me, I haven't been there before, so I don't even know how the work is. But I saw a video whereby a guy was crying, saying he came to the world to get money and go and pay his school fees. That he want admission to go to Tamale UDS.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, and now the soldiers have sacked them from the work. So they even banned the chamfans, what, and which wasn't supposed to be the case. The president was the person who was saying if you come on power, you won't sack them. You will know what to do and protect them. And now you are disturbing them. So all right. That's why Afenyo can say if you go to the street of Accra today, the youth are saying your Mahama back on temptation baby.
Okay, Charlie, thank you very much, Junior. Thanks for coming through.
Thanks too.
Auntie Bosheba, good morning. Okay, I'm sure Bosheba is busy.
Good morning, voice.
What do you want to say?
Me were outside. Now, yeah, can I say? Now, what did you say? Also, majority near foreigners.
Yeah.
And the two, and in Guasia be so cry, Bahama Ghana for. Says when say Akufo Addo by 2020, Holland for ye, Ghana free blacklist. Says I can 1 point near Sadia to blacklist.
Oh,
I can 1
point. For from where ye free lottery crasso.
I can 1 point near the Akoto blacklist. DNT, Yakaka Casa from last year, you better a Benum Hoban. Casa last year, Ghana for Bepim Sam, the cast or maybe really Kroma the Cog Ghana.
Oh,
Ubekum no majority or Munya Ghana for.
yeah.
Ubekum no Munya Ghana for. Fise Chrome or blackmail or money, on blacklist or money, you can't say, sir, Holland in this area of this side of the two. Says, you say, Yasudin, you need him on you, Kruma.
Oh,
Sort as says, Cosso, Tian Shasa Hadianson. A good any must say, or a good any must. Now, Obia so could take any binonia not be so coats or
oh.
no munya bogro crono so any good news. So guys omo flood woman bi o krum omo baba chi ni pakro omo munye omo no mo ya kromfo nto ya ho so ya kromfo na so ya wadi omo nim kwa ti omo guye ni mase omo nya nti meja mo bi akabi outside why
Yo, me that.
nti no meja mo bi so
Yo, me that say Auntie Bosheba. All right, Abronoma, good morning.
Morning, that's a bread. I'm trying to tell you, baby, I no perry. I did the salad. They are here. Said they are here.
Yo,
No, I do my day. I will.
amen.
As I'm an answer, Bosh about your Edwin, who are somewhere about my dream, maybe would as well. And into the mammy basso, and not many about Abercanning and a boss about Abercanning and Anna. What you are money or muti the Korana? Ah, what there? Yanana, America, I will be where I wouldn't even know. But wish Yana now shiny shape and then a Bob Brania there. Who know baby I will feed. Well, I'm a imagine now, and I say, and Panion for the boo baby say, I be down hard and a coffee that be a baby. So just another, if one were one mono better me, I hear Jumano year now. What half hour, yeah, 1 month or 1 month where they say, me, I may or buy me when you're there. Baby, and a woman met me a bomb. Where are fighting?
Yeah, same.
Omo atuga laye bia beti abobwa so ye slam kura ye slam matchu a wo mo tu fam a wo ma ye yiri we say na wo bo wo kura de dade bo ma na ahwiri ni sa ankrofo ya wo mo mfisa ayi mpadoa we mu na ekwa fight galam say
Omuden.
Omo mfia ye ya sa mpadoa we mu na ekwa fight galam say ya baba mahama de du ba bia no wo gu no ho anim asepa wo kanso a na ade ababa hye youth no bebre adwene mu wan say we ya hu no kora wo ka no aya pa na sa na ye pa na sa na ye ba ye na wo mo brofo mo timi twere mo ba platform ase a you and people will stay in the opposition for 40 years for say na ya
Enukrepa.
imagine mo be ye ne ye aya nkan ha ye so ma na nkan ko na ye penti sa ma beje no mo betimi aye ne ye enti na anya political party ba ko pe na ediga na so no wo ba no anya ne ya obekwa ma obi aba ma ye madwe sa se de tumi na be di mo nsenti de mo pe na mo de ye insult kora insult wo ba be train sa ankrofo we mu wa bra o mo betimi aye adwuma ne gu ho wo ya no adwodwo na nim sa de wan fa wo hwe na nim innocent faith ade bi obeye bi anye wo kwaka na ase bi a wo mpani pa na asam na wo ka ade wo ya wo ye akola ketu akora 10 years ekoro nim say to make it sense wo ba be fa we say mu nyina wo nipa no wo soro wo soro na aka sa won ko site kora na obaka akopa be bi atana na we wo kokko to jalam sefo na obaboa wo mokora atwe na tie ne nsuo no bi aboa wo mo yo mama ne pede at the end of the month obesa be gini sika why wajensa wo de wo bla bi na kan kwaje ba sase ade sika na wo be ye ne se nteso obi a wo boa wo kakra bia no e wo say wo ma so obi a be didi sa na omoka nte wo se obi otin ba bi kura na ye ba ne ye mpena no nyina de wo be gu payroll at the end of the month ye betu ya wo moka we ya ye kan na obi so te kwa na ye pene sa na ye say Ghana fo mum ye nsua nyansa hu Ghana fo bi na mum ye nsua nyansa na jimi na doso
Na mpacho obi bisa se mpadwa no eden dia.
I don't know. papa. What are they across Wagana when the pan? I made the anam can do baby number or be I tried the Aquaca metal. Ah, enquire you. Enquire you. And people want me up from Mama. And this in there by what by one by your plan will be this car. More okay with it. Are they? Time kura ma wodwena ho a ya beto abai pa the voice hwade ya so ebi mutimi kwakwadina omo hwa net kwakwakogu baabi no omo adwiri e de ba be gu nsuo num na nsuo no flow sa ya sigara na yetu no e de abai pa npp lusu ye dudu ana ejina galamse so nti wo de wo bai ne ye nim sa wo de wa ye ho ha bofo a wo ba ba ye ama Ghana fo akoma to ye yem onsa ayi kurobi minim atwede area ho madam for back on the back of school or secondary school baby or school or more pipe on your say all because of galamsey and she could have been no more and to almost be outside quarter pipe and no be na wouldn't or better a pure water and no be na benum say some could be started fit moja a be most so error or more ya moja win
diphtheria and any crop for diphtheria near the others
mansu area ho Wow, Nina Musimu, now journalists say, Nya, one more. No man than the and Captain Smart or Ghana.
Oh, Ghana, pa.
Now, me bet she and a papa. Sakwana and the new and to Sakusi or Shabom. Now, me bet she a captain. Ate, just one more ya, Boana, Bayana, which an afternoon man, no, I cannot, no, I caught an baby. Sapa, and then of them now, Mother Yana, Mother Bon and I don't know about me. Mofasa. Vem na amara na de akɔso anya na momeka Ghana fo na mo de mawie ya ma omo asese akire nyina ye ya sa de ne nyina nya me betua obi aka mako sama hu ne sam kra da ho na ade a wo mo ye anye na mo hye mo kutupa na maka wo mo anu atoma se ya bo ani fra ma mo nya me bekɔso mo ani afra ho mo sa na e be pie hu